How's it going, everybody? My name is B, and welcome back to Your Altcoins. Today, we're going to take a look at the crypto market. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I spent mine with family, working hard, hanging out, seeing people I haven't seen in a long time. We're back at the crypto videos, taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily. On the Friday, we had a beautiful, beautiful bullish move, which kind of came out of nowhere. I was actually quite shocked to see this very large bullish move, given everything we know about what was happening in the crypto space. You can see the price just dwindling beneath the 21-day moving average, staying beneath it, attempt to go over it once, failed, attempt to go over a second time, failed. It's been weeks since we've been above the 21-day moving average. And then bam, massive volume candle popped up and broke up and over. Now, if I do a retracement from our recent all-time low, this is our recent all-time low as what is that, $3,100, taking it from there to the top, you can see the price went down and dipped along the 786 Fibonacci level, which is quite common. Not quite as common as the golden pocket, the golden zone right there. But once it broke down beneath the golden zone, it went to the Fibonacci level of 786, bounced along there, and broke up and over that with conviction and with volume. Now what's happening is I still want to see a new high. I want to see Bitcoin break up and over approximately $3,700. I want to see Bitcoin break up and over 41, and I want to see Bitcoin break up and over 42. Not until Bitcoin is up over 42 in the 4,400 zone, do I think we're truly bullish. Being up and over the 21-day moving average is bullish on the short term. However, this massive thick red line is the 200-day moving average, and until we're up and over that, which is up over $5,000 in the short to medium term, I'm not bullish on Bitcoin. Until proven otherwise, I still believe we are in this downward trend, and it's a continuation of this downward trend. Now, saying that, on the weekly, it's nice that we went up and over the 200-week moving average. In a long-term scheme, Bitcoin is still in bullish territory. We dipped and touched the 200-week moving average twice here, and then twice here. What's going to happen next? Great question. Get up over the 21-week moving average, which is, again, over $4,600. Get up over to the north side of these Bollinger Bands that we truly haven't broken over. We have not broken over the 21-week moving average since, my God, back in March, about a year ago, almost an entire year of being beneath the 21-week moving average. Very bearish. So that's the state of Bitcoin. Looking at some of the coins that we've been keeping an eye on over the past few days, Litecoin having a brutal day against Bitcoin. But then again, it did go on an insane run over the course of the past few days. I mentioned back in here earlier in the month that I liked the fact that Litecoin was actually in this bullish pattern. Litecoin was over the 21-day moving average. Litecoin was over the 200-day moving average. It was looking bullish. And then sure enough, boom, massive candle. This is a 30% swing in one day for Litecoin. It looks fantastic. You're seeing a retracement today and going off of recent price action. Let's go from this low to this high. That's actually a bounce off of the 382. You might see it dip down to the 50 or to the 618 Fibonacci level. Litecoin is not the coin I'm really interested in right now. Binance coin continuing to be an absolute boss, though I am currently afraid that we are seeing a top. I thought this was a top. My God, was I wrong. We have been so bullish, pushing the north side of these Bollinger Bands really, really far away from the 21-day moving average. Clear above the 200-day moving average. The volume is clearly ramping up on Binance coin. Not quite as good as it was way back in 2018, but the volume is very thick and very steady. I've said this is a great project. You can't go wrong here. We are currently testing all-time highs in Binance coin versus Bitcoin. Versus the US dollar, it's still under $10. That's because Bitcoin is so poor right now. But Binance coin against Bitcoin, we are seeing a test of the new all-time high, which is very encouraging. However, we have been hovering in the upper levels of the RSI for days now. I do not know how much longer this can hold out. This is beautifully bullish. We could even come down to a retest of the 21-day moving average and still continue up in a bullish, means allowing the RSI to reset, because right now we're up and over 80 on the RSI, which is extremely hard to do. It's hard to maintain that kind of possession. However, you can see in previous times, Binance coin has been up in the 80 here, came down, spiked back up here, came down, spiked back up here. Could we see new climbs on Binance coin? It's a great question. Other coins performing well. Icon had a beautiful day not too long ago. Let me just zoom this in for you guys. A beautiful day right here on Icon, trading sideways over top is 21-day moving average, maintaining that. That is a bullish sign. It might continue to go up from here. This could be a bull flag. Other coins performing well. Neo having actually, 5 days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days in a row. Look how tight those Bollinger Bands are. Jeez. 5 days straight, increasing in volume, RSI trending up, upper end of the Bollinger Bands. Want to see Neo get over its 200-day moving average, but Neo looking very nice. Other than that, the market is pretty much red. Taking a look at the market cap's only 121 billion in the past 24 hours. A lot of the top 10, top 15 coins are in the red, a handful in the green. Dash up 10% today in the US dollar, very nice. However, on the weekly, many coins are in the green except for Tron and Stellar Lumens. Some coins are up as much as 26%, Binance coin up as much as 34%. Things are looking very nice here on the weekly. Overall, this sideways price action that we're seeing in Bitcoin in this $3,600 range seems to be allowing some coins to exceed and to do extremely well. Just make sure if you are investing to be invested in very good, very strong projects such as Binance Coin, such as Tron, such as Ethereum, etc., etc. That is everything I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you did find value, share it with a friend so they can find some value as well. And if you're still here after all this time, hit that subscribe button as we close in on 50,000 subscribers. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching.